Hey there, little friend! Ready for an ABC adventure? Let's fly through the alphabet together and meet some fun friends along the way. A is for apple. Crunch, crunch. Can you pretend to take a big bite? What color is your apple, red, green, or yellow? B is for balloon. Whoosh. Can you pretend to float like a balloon in the sky? C is for cat. Meow. Can you say C like a kitty? Let's chase some yarn. D is for dog. Woof. Can you bark like a happy dog? Let's play fetch. E is for elephant. Stomp, stomp. Can you make a big splash with your trunk? F is for frog. Ribbit. Jump high like a frog. How high can you go? G is for giraffe. Wow, look how tall. Can you stretch up to the sky? H is for horse. Neigh. Let's trot and gallop like a horse. I is for iguana. Can you pretend to bask in the sun like our lizard friend? J is for jellyfish. Float and sway. Let's dance through the ocean waves. K is for kangaroo. Boing, boing. Bounce with me like a kangaroo. L is for lion. Roar. Can you be a brave lion? Let's roar together. M is for monkey. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Let's swing from the trees and giggle. N is for narwhal. Swim deep into the sea with the unicorn of the ocean. O is for octopus. Wave your arms. 1, 2, 3. All eight. Let's do the octopus dance. P is for penguin. Waddle, waddle. Can you slide on your belly like a penguin? Q is for queen bee. Buzz, buzz. Can you fly like a busy bee and find some flowers? R is for rabbit. Hop, hop, hop. Let's wiggle our noses like a bunny. S is for sun. Shine bright and warm. Can you stretch your arms out wide? T is for turtle. Slow and steady. Can you crawl like a turtle? U is for umbrella. Pop it open. Let's dance in the pretend rain. V is for volcano. Boom. Let's jump like lava. Careful, it's hot. W is for whale. Whoosh. Can you spout water high like a whale? X is for xylophone. Ding dong ding. Let's play music with colors and sounds. Y is for yak. Can you march like a strong furry yak? Z is for zebra. Trot like a zebra with stripes, black and white. Yay! You did it! That was a fantastic ABC adventure. Let's do it again soon. Bye for now.